Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix not detecting second monitor on Windows 11. So first thing what you need to do here is to simply restart your computer, and for a lot of people it fixes the problem here. And if the problem persists, then another thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Device Manager. Then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And then you need to just expand network, not network, display adapters. And here should be your GPU. You need to right click on it and update driver and search automatically for drivers. Also, if you're using, for example, AMD or NVIDIA, there is separate apps to that. So I'm using NVIDIA and GPU, and there is GeForce Experience that you can download completely for free. Super simple app. You just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. And after that, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.